Hey there, fellow Swinburne students. Welcome back to another helpful tutorial. Today, we're diving into the Swinburne student timetable, your ultimate tool for staying organized. Buckle up because we're going full throttle. First things first, let's get to the basics. The Swinburne student timetable is your roadmap for the semester. It tells you where you need to be and when you need to be there. To access your timetable, simply log in to your Swinburne student portal. It's as easy as pie. Once you're in, click on the Timetable tab, and voila! Your schedule is right there in front of you. Now, here's where the magic happens. You can customize your timetable to suit your preferences. Want to avoid early morning classes? No problem. Just click on Customize and adjust your hours. Color coding, anyone? You can even color code your timetable to keep track of different subjects. Green for math, blue for history, you get the drift. It's like having your own personal rainbow. But wait, there's more. Ever wanted your timetable on your phone? Well, you're in luck. Swinburne's got a mobile app for that. Download it and your schedule is in the palm of your hand 24/7. Pro tip, set reminders for your classes and assignments. The app will send you gentle nudges so you won't miss a beat. Now let's talk about finding your way around campus. Lost on the first day of class? It happens to the best of us. Lucky for you, the Swinburne student timetable can generate campus maps. Just click on your class and boom, you'll know where to go. And here's the best part. If you have back-to-back classes, the timetable will calculate your walking time between them. No more sprinting across campus like a madman. It's all about efficiency. Now, let's talk about staying in the loop. The Swinburne student timetable updates automatically, so if there are any last-minute changes, you'll be the first to know. Whew! We covered a lot today. Remember, your timetable is your best friend at Swinburne. Keep it organized, use the app, and you'll breeze through the semester.